how to generate an extra 500 US dollars a month. Hi, my name is Srinath Vishwanath, and today in this video I'm gonna show you exactly the step-by-step process to generate an extra 500 US dollars a month, or else if I say in Indian rupees, an extra like 40,000 rupees a month without having your own product to sell and also starting as a complete beginner. Okay, so today's video is not going to be a theoretical part, but today I'm going to show you the practical steps, the practical way of generating 500 US dollars a month. Okay, the goal is to generate 500 US dollars in 30 days, right? So to do this we should be selling a product. Okay, now we don't have a product to sell, right? So we will be selecting a product from ClickBank. Now as I said in my previous videos, ClickBank is one of the world's biggest affiliate marketing platform for digital products. Okay, on ClickBank we will be able to get a huge commissions like $20 per sale, $50 per sale, even $100 to $200 per sale. Okay, so from there we will be selecting a product so that we can sell it and earn commissions so that we can reach the mark of 500 US dollars. Okay, so let's begin with the end in mind. So to generate 500 US dollars as commission, we should be selling a product on which we are going to get $50. Let's consider this. We have selected a product from ClickBank on which we are gonna get 50 US dollars as a commission on each sale. Okay, so to achieve 500 dollar mark with this product, we should be successfully able to sell 10. We should able to get 10 sales of this product through our link, so that our commissions will become 50 into 10 will become 500 US dollars, right? Or else if you have selected like $100 product on, if you have selected a product on which you are gonna get like 100 US dollars as a commission, then we only need 5 sales in 30 days so that we can reach the mark of 500 US dollars, right? So this is the actual strategy of achieving like 500 US dollars a month. Okay, so this number can be even higher. If you want, you can also use this to generate 1000 US dollars a month. Okay, so now I'm gonna share my screen with you and show you how you can select a product on ClickBank and also how to promote it so that you can make 500 US dollars. Okay, so pay close attention to what I'm showing you. Okay, so now we are on the official ClickBank website. Okay, you can just google clickbank.com and create your own account so that you can find this page. Okay, so here you can find all the different type of categories, all the different niches that you can think of. Okay, from here we can find the digital products related to all these different niches. Okay, here you can see cooking and food, computers and internet, business and investing, e-marketing, jobs, education, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, home and gardening, luggages, self-help, politics, parenting, everything. You can find almost any product, any niche that you can think of. Okay, so before selecting a product, I suggest you to find a niche that you truly interested in. Okay, because if we are trying to promote a product that we are in which we are not truly interested, then we are not going to become successful with this process. Okay, so select a niche that in which you truly interested in. Okay, so you can find almost any niche that you are interested in from here. Okay, so let us consider, for example, you are interested in some kind of health and fitness product. Okay, just click on this health and fitness tab here, and also you can see different sub niches in this particular health and fitness category. Okay, you can see addiction, beauty, dental health, diets and weight loss. So okay, now consider, let's see what type of products available on weight loss. Okay, so that we can easily promote that product to the people who are interested in losing their weight. Okay, so after opening it here, we can see all the different type of affiliate product, digital product offers in the weight loss niche. Okay, so here you can see average dollar per conversion, which is nothing but average commission on each sale. Okay, that we are gonna get. Here you can see 126.50 US dollars. If we select this product and promote this on each sale, the ClickBank is gonna give us 126.50 US dollars as a commission. Yes. Okay, but I suggest you to go with some mid ticket product. Okay, because we are just completely starting as a beginner. just go with the product like from $20 to $50 US dollars as commissionable products, okay, so that it become it so that it will be easy for us to promote. Okay, so let's consider this product here. On this product, this is some kind of custom keto diet product. Okay, on this product we are going to get on average 41.70 US dollars as commission. Okay, so to view the actual product, just click just click on the link here so that we can see what type of product we are going to promote. Okay, so this is the actual page that we are going to promote. Here you can see get your custom keto diet plan. So they are offering some kind of custom keto diet to lose weight. Here we can easily understand by looking at this image here. Okay, they are providing with some video. This is some kind of product to lose weight. Okay, this is some kind of custom keto diet to lose weight. Okay, so that is the actual product that we are going to promote. Okay, so now to achieve the 500 US dollars mark with this particular product on which we are going to get 41.70 US dollars on each sale as commission. Okay, so let me open the calculator here for you and show you the numbers. Okay, 500 USD divided by 41.70 equals to, here you can see 11.99, which means like we should be able to get like 11 to 12 sales. We should be able to sell 11 to 12 of this particular product in 30 days to achieve the 500 US dollar mark. Okay, now how to promote this product, how to get our link. All you need to do is just click the button here, just click the promote button here. So let me show you. Here you can create your own link. Okay, just they are asking some kind of account details. Okay, when you have created your own account, you can find these details. Okay, just fill this and click on generate hope links. So this is the actual link. Okay, here you can see hope link is nothing but a unique link to promote. Okay, so we should be using this link. Just copy this link here by clicking here. We have copied this link. Okay, so this is the actual link that we need to promote. Okay, so whenever someone goes through that particular link, that link is going to open this product. Okay, this page. So whenever some person goes through the particular link, they are going to view this page. Okay, they are going to land on this page. Whenever someone purchase something through our link, we are going to get like 41.70 US dollars as commission on each sale. Okay, so we should, our goal is now our goal is like to sell like 11 to 12 products. According to this calculation, we should be selling like 11 to 12 products to achieve the mark of 500 US dollars in 30 days. Okay, now how to promote this product. Now I have shown you how to select the product, right? So now how to promote this actually. Okay, so here you can see the affiliate page for every product. Clickbank is going to give us the separate affiliate page so that we can find the materials and resources. Okay, which are already pre made for us to promote. Okay, just open this link in new tab so that we can see what type of materials that they are providing to us. So here you can see the affiliate page. Okay, welcome to the custom keto diet affiliate resources. Here, this is all the information related to our affiliate resources and affiliate percentage, everything. Okay, you can also create your links from here. Okay, you can see here the product information tab. So this is all the info, this is the information of the product that we are going to promote. Okay, so from here we can use all this material in our promotions. You can also find some kind of testimonials from the people here, right? You can see it here. We can use all this information in our promotions. Okay, and also you can see the banners are nothing but some kind of images to promote. Okay, we can directly use this image and we can post it on our like Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, everywhere we want. We can directly use these images to promote. Okay, these are already made for us. Okay, and also you can see the social media tab here. So you can see social media pack one. So basically in these packs they are going to provide us with some kind of images and some kind of description captions for our images. Okay, we can easily post them on Instagram, on Facebook, or else on any social media platform. Okay, here you can see a lot of content readily available for us to share and to promote. Okay, can also find lead magnets here. Well, I'm going to talk about the lead magnets in some other video. Okay, You can also find videos. Wow, this is awesome. Yeah, here you can see how to start a custom keto diet. Just click here to download. Okay, so they made a video about how to start a keto diet, which is very awesome, right? We can directly download this video and we can post it on our like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, okay, anywhere. There are different type of videos available here about fasting and keto, about a guide to keto. Okay, everything is already made. Okay, and also you can find the recipe videos, recipe keto recipes set one 10 videos. Okay, here there are different 10 different type of recipe videos readily made for us to promote. Okay, we need to just download these videos and we can easily uh, promote it on our Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, our groups pages, on marketplaces, or else on YouTube. Okay, here you can see many videos. This is set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4, 10 videos, 10 videos. Here you can easily find like, yeah, there are 100 videos available here readily for us to promote. Okay, we can use all these materials, all this content directly in our promotions. Okay, this is very awesome, right? So here you can also see the articles. Okay, we can also use this type of we can download this article and we can post, we can use it in our blogs if we are doing blogs. Okay, and also we can find the keywords related to this particular product, and also email swipes. Now email swipes are nothing but they ready completely written email. We can directly download this and we can copy the email and paste and send it to the people. If we have like some emails, if we have like a list of emails, we can easily copy this mail and we can send it to them. Okay, so these are the resources which are readily available to promote this particular product here. Okay, so this is how we are going to promote. We should be downloading all the resources from here, we should be using all the resources here, and we should be posting consistently on social medias and YouTube. This is a free way. Okay, by posting on YouTube every day, and also Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, there are a lot of images available here. You have already shown you in social media pack. These are all nothing but images to use in our different type of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Okay, so this is one way, and the other way is we can also create our own content around this product. Okay, because we are interested in this, that is why we should be interested in this product. Okay, so that we can create content around this product. So okay, so that we can get some people. Okay, so now our goal is to create desire on this particular product. Okay, our content should able to create the desire to purchase this product. Okay, you can also use the product, we can also use the resources that they have provided with us, and also with along with that we can create our own content around this product to create the desire in the people for the people to buy this product. Okay, so that is how we can able to make 500 US dollars in a month by promoting some affiliate products. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, regarding about anything, you can ask me, you can DM me, you can also comment in below in the comment section. I will make sure to answer all of your doubts and all of your questions. Okay, so now it's up to you to go and select a product from your interested field and start promoting it by using their own content, which is available on Clickbank, or else you can also create the content you can by yourself. Okay, you can create the content like by you can create your own videos like this to promote that product. Okay, so whenever we are creating content, our goal is to create a desire in the people. Okay, in the viewers, in the people who are watching our videos, to purchase that product. Okay, to purchase the product that we are selling, we should be able to create that desire for the product that we are promoting. Okay, so with that said, I hope you understand this concept. Okay, or else if you want like more actionable steps of this process, like more actionable step by step process, I just started a Facebook group, a private Facebook group called Quick Start Online Club. You can check the links for that group in my bio or else in the description, wherever it's possible. In that I'm gonna lay down like the step by step process to start and grow your own internet business completely as beginner. and also I'm gonna share you the free way and also the paid way of doing this. Okay, so if you are interested, just check the links in my descriptions or in my bio. Okay, with that said, thanks for watching. See you again.